Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series of Job Role Hand Embroiderer, Class 10th, Unit 2, Session 2. So today's topic is Sheaf Stitch. The sheaf stitch is a beautiful variation made using bundles of straight stitches which are tied or wrapped together with a horizontal stitch. It gets its name from the bundles of thread resembling a sheaf of wheat. Before starting with the stitches, let us first look at the materials that are required. Carbon paper, design on the butter paper, pen or pencil, scissors, embroidery hoop or frame, embroidery floss or thread, needle, fabric starch free and well ironed. Once we have all our materials, let us start with the embroidery. The first step is tracing the design. To trace the design, first we'll keep the fabric on the flat surface, then carbon side facing down, and then our motif. With the help of pen or pencil, we'll trace our design. Neatly trace your design. You can also clip the 3 layers together so that they don't move. So our design is traced. The next step is to fix the fabric on embroidery hoop or frame. For that, keep the smaller ring on the flat surface, then our fabric and then the bigger ring on top of it. Tighten the screws. Make sure it's tight enough. Stretch the fabric a bit. The next step is to thread the needle. To thread the needle, I am taking all the 6 strands of the embroidery floss. When you thread the needle, make sure to make a knot at the end. Before starting the embroidery on the motif, we'll first practice it on 2 parallel lines for better understanding. We are going to bring the needle on line A, insert it down on line B. Again, we're going to bring it up on line B, then on line A, again up on line A, and then on line B. So we have our vertical strand ready. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to bring our needle up under the middle line. We are going to take it under the first bar. We are going to make a loop and then we are going to take the thread under the same point. Tighten it. So as you can see, the sheep is ready. We are going to follow the same process. Again, we are going to bring the needle up . You can use various variations by making the middle bar a little bit bigger than the rest too, like I am doing here. So in this variation, you can take the first bar a little bit bigger than the rest too. So this is the sheaf stitch. So now we have learned how to do the sheaf stitch. We are going to continue doing this on our motif. Using the same steps which we have learned earlier, we are going to finish our motif. We have made our bars. Then we are going to bring it under the middle bar, then under the first bar. We are going to make a loop. Then we are going to lock it. Cut the excess thread. Then remove the embroidery hoop or frame. And our motif is ready. You can also use tassels, beads to decorate this. You can also finish the edge using pinking shell like I have did here. Now we are going to summarize the steps. First, tracing the design. Second, fixing the fabric on frame or hoop. Third, threading the needle. Fourth, doing the embroidery. Fifth, locking or clipping the thread. Sixth, removing the fabric from the hoop. This is all for this video. Keep practicing, enjoy learning. Thank you.